Alright guys, welcome to Algo Arena again. काफी लंबा break हो गया. Yeah, so today we'll just solve the previous Codeforces contest 1044 Div 2. Okay, and वीडियो ज़्यादा लंबा नहीं करना इसलिए दो दो करके प्रॉब्लम सॉल्व करूँगा कंप्लीट 1 to 8 to F तक ठीक है. So today we'll solve A and B. I just not attempted, but I'll definitely participate in today's contest. So let's start the today's problems A and B. Redstone. Okay, just constraints are low. Okay, so it's just a ये मेरा थॉट है कि लाइक जो बूलियन रिलेटेड क्वेश्चंस होते हैं जिसमें हमको सिर्फ यस और नो में आंसर देना होता है दैट आर प्रीटी सिंपल कंपेयर टू अदर्स जिसमें कैलकुलेशंस करनी होती हैं. राइट, सो लेट्स स्टार्ट जस्ट justify. Okay. Alright. First we will just declare some pointers. We have to create a vector of have to create two vectors and then we have to just initialize it into we'll store that into a map. Okay, to check the frequency. So I'm confused that you have to use ordered map or unordered map, but for now I just use ordered map, and if there something occurred any problem, then we'll change this to unordered. If we'll face any speed related issues or like other thing. And then we have just strings as two. We have two strings. Okay, and we'll just declare another one like b. Okay, and we just declare some of the variables. I think it's only t is equal to 1. Right. So the initial test results we'll declare just t at 1, and then we have to just input it until the t comes in, and then we have to just we missed that other one, or let's just define this globally. I mean here. Okay, then we have to just print have to input n and then just declare the b is equal to 0. Okay, first we have to make sure the map is clear, and then we'll just run a loop till the end of n. Okay, and just take the area as input. Okay, so we have to just will not assign it. My bad. Let's just assign it here. Um, let's just do the values. How many? Right. I just assigned it like randomly. Okay, because the constraints are low, then we'll just sort the range size of the array if we want to. Okay, so first we have to just store it inside the map. We have to add the frequencies. It is MP, right? And then we just check a condition, a simple condition that if map of A and 5 is equal than 2, then in that case V is equal to again 1. Okay, and for after this loop we just check if B is available, then we have to print what we have to print here yes, and then right, else we just print it no. Right, according to me it's completed. Let's just check. The calculation is pretty simple. There's a web basic maths only. What happened? Let's just run again. Why it's not copy the test case here? Alright, no worries, just Let's just do check here. Come on. Error. What error? Did we miss something inside the code? We just declared a vector, just declared a map, okay, and we just declared a, yeah, I just declared it, otherwise we need it, okay. Actually, I thought a different approach using, so in that approach we have to use strings, but then I'll just do the basic maths. Then it's bool, right? What if I just declare it globally outside the main? I think the things are working. We have to just add it inside there after this, right? Then we just have to just put it, and then we have to clear map. Just take an input and just enter the condition, and if it met the condition, then we want to just this. Yeah, I think it's correct. I don't know what's the issue. Okay, I think it's working now. Let's just check in our online compiler again. Yes, yes, no, yes, no, yes, yes, no, yes, no. Yeah, it's working. Come on, let's submit it. Let's check the other. Accept it. Accept it. Yeah. Let's do the second question. Okay, villagers. Select two villagers, IJ and Max. And you have to just type on the line of both of their inputs. Okay. There are the long. The passes are pretty long. The tenth of 5 and 6. Okay, so villagers. It's the best thing in the code forces, like they just keep that. So, okay. Alright, got it. Let's be the chief. Sorry for the noise, guys. Right, let's just. Okay. Alright, let's just assign something first about the constraints. First, we'll just give a size, okay, according to the constraints that are given that are high. So let's just this and just assign global some variables that are useful, array, and just a simple, right? Right. Let's just start the logic. First, we have to just take an input as a test cases until the test cases is done, completed all. Then we'll just do. Well, first, we'll assign this j is equal to 0, and then we'll input n, right? And okay, I is equal to 1 is less than, as always, like it I am habitual with this. I like every coder habitual with this. So taking the input as an array, and like there are a lot of other approaches, like other ways to take as an input as an array. I'll discuss in the next videos. Like that for all things are, I'll share a lot of tricks, okay, from the basic to advanced. As I give 4 years the programming and 2 years of the competitive programming. So yeah, I have a little much knowledge. Okay, after this we'll just sort it. First, I'll just do my basic brute force approach that comes in my mind first after reading just the question. Okay, and if it gives me any error, then I'll just optimize it bit by bit. I just sorted, and then just maybe I also mistake something. I have used the integer and the constraints are high, so that I have to use the long. But let's done. Let's try this first. Then we'll update things, and this go back, right? According to this, then we'll just type the then we just find the max, and then in if okay, and plus one module 2. In that case, we'll just assign it, add it into the j, right? And after that for loop, we'll just see out thing, see out the value j, and L. And in the next time, I'll just try to use the slash and clear. What the no worries, let's just try an online compiler. This one is good. 005 infinite zeros and 0. Wow, what did I miss? Uh, Maybe it's because of this. Let's just update this once and just change. But I am updating here. Like why? It's still gives me error. What happened? We just hit the right and this one is also correct. And maybe I have to use the sign main. Yeah, but it's a different case, right? Where I don't think that there's any issue because of the sign. Just do this and then just do input load and okay, just enable this and we just sort it. I'll just sort it. Then I'm going to get it. Okay, and it's just give it a number n plus one. Oh, it's not n plus one. It's n plus I. My mistake. N equal 0. Then we just add the value of j in the j value of array in the j ठीक है and then just print it. Let's run 2 7 3 infinite zeros and 14. Yeah, it's correct now. Some villagers, come on. Yeah. Okay, so the next two questions, I will just upload the next two videos and I'll just upload the last video. In that video, I'll just uh, briefly tell the approach and some patterns that are hidden in these questions. Okay, and वापस से वो शेड्यूल फॉलो करेंगे, ब्रेक खत्म हो गया फिर फिर सभी क्वेश्चंस करेंगे एंड काफ़ी कुछ इंटरेस्टिंग चीज़ें भी करनी है. सो या स्टे ट्यून्ड एंड जस्ट डोंट फॉरगेट टू सब्सक्राइब द चैनल. या थैंक यू.